Breath awareness. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably and focus your attention on each part of your body, from your toes to your head. Notice any sensations, tension, or relaxation in each area. Mindful walking. Go for a walk and focus on the sensation of your feet on the ground, the movement of your body, and the sounds around you. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your walking. Loving kindness meditation. Sit comfortably and bring to mind someone you care about. Send them positive thoughts and feelings, such as love, compassion, and gratitude. Then, expand this feeling to include yourself and others in your life. Sensory awareness. Choose an object, such as a flower or a piece of fruit, and focus your attention on it. Notice its color, shape, texture, and smell. Engage all your senses and become fully present in the moment. Mindful eating. Choose a snack or a meal and eat it slowly and with full awareness. Notice the color, texture, taste, and smell of the food. Engage all your senses and savor each bite. Body awareness. Sit or lie down comfortably and focus your attention on your body. Scan your body from head to toe and notice any sensations, tension, or relaxation in each area. Gratitude practice. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Focus on the positive things in your life and express gratitude for them. Mindful breathing. Sit comfortably and bring your attention to your breath. Count each inhale and exhale, or focus on the sensation of your breath in your nostrils or your belly. Mindful listening. Choose a piece of music or a sound, such as birdsong or running water, and focus your attention on it. Listen to the sound without judgment or analysis, and notice any thoughts or emotions that arise. Remember, mindfulness is a practice that can be integrated into any aspect of your daily life. Try to bring mindfulness into your daily activities, such as brushing your teeth, washing dishes, or walking the dog. The more you practice, the more benefits you will experience.